Hi everyone, and I hope you all are doing good. You are working very hard for the examination. So I'm here today to tell you something about the yesterday's results for the mains. So few of them qualified, and many of them have not qualified. Right? This is a number. This is exactly the pattern of the results. Like out of every 8, 9, 10 students, one student is going to qualify. ये pattern है, right? They can't take everyone. कहीं तो कहीं students तो बाहर होंगे, right? So they're asking for the results. The students got I got messages that results kya hai gold tide ka. Then let me tell you one thing that you all know that ours is the prelims IAS Academy. तो हमारा result prelims exam के बाद आ जाता है. We are ending there, right? We end there, right? But it is connected because after you clear the prelims, you write the mains, right? So 2024 prelims examination, we have around 50 students, around 48 to 50 students who wrote the mains examination for 24. And yesterday we got this 11 student. Last time we got 9 students. This time we got 11 students giving their interview. Now this is very important because okay, out of this 11, 2 are the students who are repeating, right? Yes, last year also they gave interview and they were not in the final list. This year again they are repeating into this. Okay, so it's a very good number because देखो आपको एक fact बताता हूँ. When any coaching kind of 2000 3000 students are there, results are bound to come, right? जहाँ पे 1000 registrations हैं वहां पे तो रिजल्ट आएंगे ही ना. बट व्हेन इट्स लाइक 200 300 स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर, वहां पे एफर्ट इज नीडेड टू हेल्प देम स्टूडेंट्स टू क्वालिफाई, right? So actually this number is very big that 40-50 students आपके मेंस लिख रहे हैं, and in the mains examination that 11 are getting qualified. But let me tell you the real thing that in the mains part there was no contribution. I think very less contribution from my side because I was too busy with the prelims, and I'm always busy with the prelims examination. I don't have any job except the prelims examination. So definitely I helped them, those who called me that where to join, which to join, what to study. We made a group for the mains examination and students, they were used to talk and all. But the 90%, 100%, you can say 100% the effort has been put by the students. Okay, there was very kind of 5-10% contribution from my side, but mains में उनका सारा contribution है, वो सारे effort उनके, right? Prelims thing I take credit. Yeah, definitely I helped them for the prelims because there were many students who qualified prelims for the very first time on the gold tide. So anyway, वैसे भी आप देख लो कोई भी एग्जाम यूपीएससी में 90% स्टूडेंट्स का ही एफर्ट रहता है. 10% is the coaching centers which is trying to help you out, right? So this is what the result that okay 11 students got. Now if you see here this जो students fail हुए mains में, it's most of the students they failed, and I talked most of them yesterday. They failed mainly due to they didn't perform well in the ethics part or optional. इन दोनों में से या तो ऑप्शनल, एथिक्स या दोनों, ये मेजर स्टूडेंट्स का पोर्शन था जो परफॉर्म वो नहीं किए बेटर, राइट? एंड यू रिमेंबर एवरी टाइम राइट नाउ आई एम टेलिंग स्टूडेंट्स ऑन द सेशन व्हाट टू डू ऑन संडे, व्हाट टू डू ऑन सैटरडे, राइट? तो आपको मैं ये बात समझाता हूं कि ऑप्शनल एंड एथिक्स स्ट्रांग नहीं है तो डेफिनेटली यू आर गोइंग टू नॉट क्वालिफाई फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन आफ्टर प्रीलिम्स एग्जामिनेशन. तो मेजर जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं दे वेर लाइक एथिक्स डिडंट गो वेल, ऑप्शनल डिडंट गो वेल, राइट? तो आपको थोड़ा सा इससे सीखना है चीजों को, राइट? एंड डेफिनेटली ऑल 11 स्टूडेंट्स आई हैव मेड सेपरेट ग्रुप फॉर देम. उनका डीए फॉर्म पे नाउ आई विल वर्क वेरी हार्ड फॉर देम बिकॉज आई हैव टू डू एट एनी कॉस्ट. आई डोंट वांट कि उनको वो अब बाहर हो बिकॉज दैट इज मोर पेनफुल इवन when you don't clear the prelims examination. अभी का बाहर होना it's more dangerous, right? Because उसके बाद prelims के लिए भी time नहीं मिलता आपको. So definitely I'm going to work. I have made separate group, and once they qualify, I'll make each of them talk to you. Definitely उन पे मेरा एक right है, एक हक से मैं उनको बोल सकता हूँ they are my students. So I'll make them talk to you, but let them qualify the examination. 11 students this year from the gold tide. Last year we have 8 students and 3 qualified, right? This time we have 11 students, and let's see how many students get the final selection. But yes, this is a very good result. They have really worked hard for this examination. I hope so कि आप next time हर student जो effort कर रहे हैं, जो आप मेरा प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं, कोर्स कर रहे हैं, you do well, आप क्वालिफाई करो, मेंस करो, एंड देन डेफिनेटली एंड पार्ट मैं उसको खींच के ले. सो एंट्री पार्ट पे आई विल प्ले मेजर रोल, एंड देन द एग्जिट पार्ट आई विल प्ले द मेजर रोल. मेंस का पार्ट वेयर आई एम नॉट देयर, डेफिनेटली आई विल हेल्प यू आउट विद दैट, बट उससे पहले प्रीलिम्स को क्वालिफाई करना. तो आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द नेक्स्ट 3-4 मंथ्स. जो भी स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे 25 लिख रहे हैं, प्लीज वर्क हार्ड प्रीलिम्स के लिए. डोंट ट्राई टू बी वेरी कैजुअल. आप बहुत एफर्ट लगाइए, प्रीलिम्स क्वालिफाई करो, बहुत प्रैक्टिस करो. जितना ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे, थिंग्स विल बिकम इजी फॉर यू. एंड आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू अबाउट द हाउ टू डू, व्हाट टू डू. सो आप करते रहिए, एंड देन आई एम ऑलवेज देयर. लेट मी नो इफ you have any problem. So thank you so much. This is the what I want to tell for the yesterday's result. And those who have not qualified, it's fine. Be sad, be cry, like थोड़ा सा रो लीजिए, थोड़ा सा दुख होगा, because definitely you have worked hard for the examination. Okay, एक चीज मैं आपको और बताता हूँ कि इस साल what I felt that after the students qualified the prelims examination, they were not expecting कि उनका prelims हो जाएगा, right? So when they joined me, they were not expecting कि they can easily clear their prelims examination. तो उनका mains भी उतना अच्छा नहीं था, because they were scared about their prelims itself. But suddenly when they got to know that prelims qualify आप कर रहे हो, then they got very less time, right? तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा रीजन था कि मेंस की प्रिपरेशन भी आपकी अच्छी नहीं थी, राइट? सो प्रीलिम्स की, अगेन आई एम सेइंग, प्रीलिम्स की टेंशन मत लीजिएगा. You perform here, you practice here every single week, and then we will see about the mains examination. ठीक है, इतना आज के लिए. Next we are going to see in the next video. Thank you so much.